This is Mirchi on Women's Day. Notice anything different? No, right? We thought, let's surround Prashant Pandey and take it all out on him. Our grouses, our complaints. What's it really like to be a woman working at Mirchi?
Women's movement.
I've been sent to Varanasi, Kanpur and Lucknow when I was about 26 years old by myself with no atapata of hotel or where I'm going and what I'm doing to interview 300 mostly men in every city. That was like the craziest experience.
And nobody
ever.
briefed you, I remember.
What you don't know, Satna, is that those 300 men were briefed.
I was asked by some journal, how does it feel like to be the only woman in senior management in ENIL? And I'm like, you're the first person who's ever made me realize this.
Many other companies have noticed that they don't really have too many women. Is in sales, because it's considered to be like a very tough thing. You're supposed to, I don't know what that means, when you go to a client, you're supposed to meet the client.
This company has never, ever looked at me and said, hey, she's a woman, maybe she can't do this. I've always been pushed and I've enjoyed it.
Fire up, or did you say fire?
I think firing happens at at all levels and
Yeah.
You see, the
all
first
genders.
2008 every month, and recently now we do every quarter.
You make 90% of every rupee that the man
We have everything, not more, not less, vis-a-vis a man in this company.
A couple of years back, there was this Sexual Harassment Act which came into place in 2013. It's just thinking about women and women being victims. What we did was we said that, okay, we'll make a policy which will be around both the genders. Not only women, even men are safe in this company.
One of the things that characterizes Mirchi, we believe in this concept called meritocracy. What the company stands for is equal opportunity. Gender is the last thing which comes into play.
We should join there. We should join having in sales. That's legal. You haven't seen if nothing is doing right in programming, legal complaint.
There are senior women in our organization who are feared. Then there are women who are loved. Then there are women who are respected, just like all the men.
You get sucked into this organization, okay? You don't realize being a man or being a woman who you're talking to.
I think we're a very genderless organization.
The right blend of the biological clock and the career clock, I see in Mirchi.
Women are mothers too. So in most organizations, when you are working and your kid is unwell and you have to really do this running around or coming in late and going back early kind of thing, there's a lot of guilt associated with it.
Your guilt goes down and you feel empowered is also because it's not patronizing. It's not like when you become a mother, your targets are brought down.
For 3 months is a government given right, the next 3 months is a Mirchi given right.
somebody outside of this house understands that I want to work. Because it's so easy for women to just quit.
The number of fathers in our company who are so proud to be fathers, who are uploading pictures with their children, who are taking time out to be with their kids, who are taking half days because of sports days. It's not just the women who are uploading, it's not just the women's desk who have children's photographs.
Yeah, I just joined today. I was thinking it's Women's Day today, so we should get them a cake and celebrate them.